morning Year 2 and welcome to another quiz. I hope you have your pencil and paper ready to start. Let's have a go. First question. Elias invited 32 people to his birthday party. 29 people came. How many people weren't able to come? Off you go. Are we ready? If you're not ready, don't worry, just pause your video so you've got some time to work out the answer. So, Elias invited 32 people to his birthday party. 29 people came. So how many people were not able to come? So to find out the answer, I need to subtract. I need to subtract 29 from 32 to find out how many people could not come to his party. So, 32 minus 29. The answer is excellent, 3. We don't need to use column subtraction, we can work that out quite easily. So 32 minus 29 is 3. Next question. Complete the sequence. So what you guys need to do is calculate what the next 3 numbers in the sequence is going to be. And remember, look at the first 2 numbers in the sequence. Find the difference between those numbers and then look at the difference between these 2 numbers and use that to calculate how much the number is going up by. And then you can calculate the next 3 answers. Off you go. Are we ready? So firstly, we need to calculate how much the sequence is moving up by. So if I look at 10, so from 10 to 16, how much is my sequence moving up by? Good, 6, because 10 plus 6 is 16, and then again 16 plus 6 is 22. So I know that to calculate the next 3 answers, I need to add on 6. So 22 plus 6 is, good, 28. 28 plus 6 is, good, 34. And 34 plus 6 is, excellent, 40. So well done if you got that question correct. Next question. Again, fill in the missing numbers. This time it's a bit trickier because you've got some numbers in the middle that you need to calculate the answer to. Off you go. Are we ready? Okay, so firstly we need to calculate how much the sequence is moving up by. If I have a look, so from 34 to 39, the number is moving up by, has it all moved up by 5. So I know I need to add on 5 to calculate the missing numbers. So 39 plus 5 is, good, 44. And I know that 44 plus 5 is 49. 49 plus 5 is, good, 54. And 54 plus 5 is, good, 59. Okay, so well done if you got that question correct as well. Next question. Use the signs to show the most and the least amount. So you need to choose the correct sign to go in the middle. Off you go. Are we ready? Let's have a look. So I've got 89 and 82. So I know that 89 is the larger number, so the crocodile mouth has to be facing the 89. For the next question, I'm going to firstly calculate the answer to this first. So £1.45 minus 15p. So I'm going to show my working out here. So £1.45 minus 15. Okay, so 5 minus 5 is, good, 0. 4 minus 1 is, excellent, 3. I've got my £1 here. So my answer is going to be £1.30. So the answer to this is going to be £1.30. So which one is the larger amount? It's going to be £1.30. So the crocodile mouth is going to be facing the £1.30. And the final question, again, I'm going to add the numbers here together to calculate the answer. So 51 plus 24. Okay, so 1 plus 4 is, good, 5. And 5 plus 2 is, lovely, 7. So 75. So the answer is going to be 75. Okay? So 75 is the larger number, so the crocodile mouth has to be facing the larger number. So well done if you got those questions correct. Next question. Yusuf had 60p. He spent 34p. He got 3 coins as change. What coins were they? So let's look at that again. So Yusuf had 60p. He spent 34p. He got 3 coins as change. What coins were they? So firstly, this question, let's do this question in 2 steps. For the first step, you need to calculate the change. Once you've calculated the change, you then have to think about what coins make that amount and what 3 coins make that amount. Off you go. Are we ready? Okay, so let's firstly calculate the change. And don't worry if you haven't finished yet, just pause your video. So let's firstly calculate the change. So he spent 60p. No, he didn't spend 60p, he had 60p, sorry. He had 60p and he spent 34p. So remember, when we're thinking about calculating the change, we need to be thinking about subtraction, okay? So firstly, 0 minus 4, I'm not going to be able to do that, I need to go to the tens column. That becomes a 5, and that becomes a 10. So 10 minus 4 is, good, 6, and 5 minus 3 is 2, excellent. So my answer is going to be 26p, but I haven't finished yet. I need to work out which 3 coins he got has changed. So I need to think about how I can make 26p using just 3 coins, okay? Again, if you haven't got to the stage yet, you can pause your video so you've got a chance to work it out. But there are 3 coins that make up 26p. The first coin is 20p. The second coin is 5p. And the final coin is 1p. So they're the 3 coins that make 26p. So they're the 3 coins that he got as change. So well done if you got that question correct. What time is shown on the clock? What time is shown on the clock? Off you go. Are we ready? Okay, so let's have a look carefully. What time is shown on the clock? Let's start by looking at my hour hand. My hour hand is there, just facing the 4. My minute hand is on the 9. That I know that means 1/4 to. So 1/4 to 4. Okay, so 1/4 to 4. Well done, if you got that question correct. Okay, tick the coins that make £1.24. Tick the coins that make £1.24, okay? And what you guys can do is just draw. Draw the coins that we need to make £1.24. And just to help you out, I'm going to tell you that you need five of those coins to make £1.24. So you need 5 of those coins to make £1.24. Off you go. Are we ready? Okay, so firstly, I need my 250p's. My 250p's make £1. Then I have £1.20. And to make 4p, I need 2 2p coins. So they're the 5 coins that you needed to make £1.24. Well done if you got that question correct. Okay, put the correct operation into the calculations to complete the number sentences. So you have to fill in these gaps using the correct operation. So are we going to add the numbers? Are we going to multiply the numbers? Are we going to take away the numbers? You have to work that out. Off you go. Are we ready? Okay, so let's have a look. So for the first one, the answer is going to be divide. So 40 divided by 5 is going to be 8. For the next question, 56 plus 47 is going to give me 103. And then 86 minus 53 is going to be equal to 33. Okay? So well done if you got that question correct. I now want you to have a go at these questions without my help. Look at the questions carefully and do not forget to post any home learning on our Year 2 Twitter page. Thank you very much for listening, guys. Bye bye.